Oh!
Shark bait!
Hey, now's the time. Find your voices. Ramp back up.
It looks like MMP.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all got a setup?
Yeah, we're trying it out this year. You guys do want the 30 feet.
Really?
This year, yeah?
Maybe, I don't know. I don't know about the vibe, but... You guys have any top now?
Yeah, we do. It's Bird, Dot Paradise.
So is
Probably a
there
shorter way to do it. No, this is, I could just email it with that.
Yeah.
I was like, oh,
Yeah, like someone actually does their Instagram. It's not me, so I have no idea. When I say land, you say shark! Land! 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 Sharks! Somebody dodge! Oh,
yes, inside.
Oh, do it, middle. Up. Up! Yes, Liam. Hey, get it back. W, Liam. Yeah, Julian, good. Yeah, look at you. Up, look. Yeah! Hey, shake it up. No point, Michaela! Real. Yes, Michaela! Let's go! Oh my God. Jump! 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 Jump!
We got a teacher.
Wait, what do you say?
I wish you were in our
Okay. Alright, you guys ready? Just like land sharks, 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 the land sharks, 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 land sharks. Woo!
Ariana, you're so good!
Oh. Nice.
Yes, we had.
Nice, good pressure.
I came over and asked how you're playing team, and I said, I just like to isolate. I wanna have like my little, I need my little complaint. I wanna isolate. Everyone here, everyone here, I see this. She's like, so Paige fucking. Because we're a studio. That's Ariana Grande!
Oh! Yes!
What? Yeah, shot!
And she's just like little and fast.
B.O.B.
Let's go, Birds! Got it! Thank you.
Yeah. 2-0. Unfortunately. Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh Love that, Adeline! Keep it up, Adeline! Great Diasco!
Parky!
Work last time. Work
Andrew!
Ari! Dom! Justin! Dean! Maddie! Leo!
You were right there looking him dead in the face.
I love that. Good job.
That was fun. That's the throw my throw.
Hey Max, where's my beer?
I'm gonna go get myself a 6-pack.
Hey Max,
Start charging.
And I got the disc
No
too.
one said you had to get the disc. That is true.
I'm cutting.
I'm not. Don't even throw the frisbee to me.
Land charge! 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 Land charge!
Get there! Get there! Yes, Liam! Yes, Liam! Come on, Court! Around Cindy, seal there! Middle! Up! Yes, Ricky! Yes, Ricky!
Yeah, Ricky!
Ricky, Rick!
not too far. Not looking, far side. Not looking, Cam, not looking. Hey. Up. Hey, keep it down here, Briggs! Follow my voice. Got you, Luke. Got you, Paul. Ball. Right. Up. Not in.
End zone, run end zone!
Say stop, yo!
Yes, sir!
Come on!
Brandon! Busy! Jack! Ladle! Tonic! Eska! Jennifer!
I'll be good.
So it's better if I don't.
I want you to hunt me, but honestly, like ideally, I was gonna not have great field positioning for that. Unless you throw it. Okay.
If it was windy, I definitely would.
Tucking up there. Tucking, keeping it up.
And the catcher is twisting like a stir fry.
Yeah, 5 breaks in a row. Oh my God! Come on! Oh! Calculated. You got that every time. Up! Oh! I smell some blood! Can we get some gas stopping here real quick? That's good, Shark fight! Shark fight! Shark fight! Inside hand. All right now. Inside. Oh, Ricky. Yeah, Ricky, way to be. Go, Ricky. And it was almost like we didn't pass over it because I didn't through the wheel here. And it was like, we got a switch, it was going to be good. And then they kind of yeah, I don't know if I have to do this.
I have no idea what I'm doing. Like, especially because I was looking and just feel like I felt the end of the season where, like, I spent like, you know, and but it's just because I'm like, oh, like, I just kind of should, but then I'm like,
no, I'm going to tell you.
I'm aware that I'm just like, the mixed aspect.
Yeah, like, if people was like, that's a hop up! Love it. Help! Yeah, Paul. Good job, Dirk. The streak begins! The streak begins! Deal your hot! Stay! Way to try, Ari. Start inside. Christian, on! On the left! You owe me a beer. Andrew, turn! Andrew out. Travel! Yeah, that's a travel. Nobody talks. Take it away!
Let's go, Sharks! Cap it alive!
Yes. No, I'm the keeper. No open side under! No open side under! Last now, Ari. You're last. Leo, 45! 45, yes! Where's it gonna go? Maybe here. Oh no! Hey, bye. As intended. Andy, you're back. Hey, John, where are you? Oh, okay. Telephone, yes, back. All right, ready? Todd, you're tight. All right, Luke, no up line. Oh yeah, Isaac, yeah. Yes, Isaac. Go 4. Yes, Luke. Go 5. Hey. Yes! Luke, that's great defense.
Jack, keep going, Mark. Keep going, Mark.
Run!
Oh, Todd! Oh, Todd! Oh, Tajiana!
Tajiana!
Oh, Adelaide! Find the 45! Off, Luke! Off, Luke! Hey, John! Please break it, yes. Isaac, thank you. I love you, Isaac. I love you. Oh, Luke, I love you. Yes! Oh, yes! Yes! Tweet.